Introducing, my name is Muhammad Wahyu with name 230-203-502-004. I will read the starter system manual book, Daihatsu Terios. Unit check of starter, consume. Each of the following tests must be performed within 3 to 5 seconds. If you fail to observe this condition and the starter should be energized for more than this duration, the coil may be burned out. If the magnetic switch should be started as a unit, 3 is the possibility that the switch section is the match, hence be sure to test in the assembly state. Not since the magnetic switch cannot be overhauled, replaced if the is malfunctioning. Pull in test. Number one, disconnect the lead wire from the terminal C of the magnetic switch. Two, connect the negative terminal of the battery to starter body as well as to the terminal C of the magnetic switch. Number three, connect the positive terminal to the terminal ST. Ensure that the pinion is pushed outward. If the driver pinion fail to move or replace the magnetic switch, note the cause from the pinion to fail to pull in open wire in the PC of the magnet switch or improper sliding of the plugger, hence replace the magnetic switch. Hold-in test. After the check has been performed following the same procedure as the pull-in test, disconnect the magnetic negative terminal of the magnetic switch terminal. Ensure that the driver pinion is held in pushed out state. If the driver pinion fails to be held, replace the magnetic switch. Note the cause for pinion to fail be held is open wire in the PC of the magnetic switch, hence replace the magnetic switch. Step 2. Inspection of plugger return. After the check has been performed following the same procedure of as the hold-in test, disconnect the ground terminal of the starter body. Ensure that the driver pinion is drawn into the drive housing. If the drive pinion fail to be drawn, replace the magnetic switch. Note, the cause for in pinion to fail return is either HC or PC of the magnetic switch is grounded off short, hence replace the magnetic switch. No load performa test. Connect the battery and ammeter to the starter as shown in the right figure. Ensure that the starter rotates smoothly with the pinion moving out. Ensure the current the starter in drawing specific current. Note, prior the test, be sure to connect the lead wire to the magnetic switch. Disassembly. Starter. Disconnect the lead wire from the magnetic switch. Remove the entangling nut of the magnetic switch from the driver housing. Remove the magnetic switch from the driver housing. Step 3. Remove the commutator and front cover by removing the two screws. Remove the isolator from the brush holder. Remove the brush spring and brush from the brush holder. Remove the brush holder from the yoke. Remove the yoke from the armature. Remove the pinion drive lever and armature from the drive housing. With the SST, pat over the shaft, lightly tap the SST so as to remove the pinion stop cooler from the snap ring. Detect the snap ring by spraying it off with snap ring pillars. Remove the starter clutch from the shaft. Maybe that's all from. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.